In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Gemini status. Whether you use Gemini at work, in school, or for development, knowing where to look when something feels off can save you time and frustration. We'll walk through the most reliable places to confirm what's happening and how to read what you see there with confidence. Start with the Google Workspace Status Dashboard. This is the official source for both consumer and business versions of Gemini. Open your browser and search for Google Workspace Status Dashboard. Once you're on the page, scan the list of services or use the page's search feature to find Gemini. You'll see simple indicators next to each service. A green checkmark means everything is operating normally, while red or orange icons point to outages or service disruptions. If you see a colored icon, click into the incident to read details, such as what's affected and when it started. These pages often include ongoing updates and resolution timelines. It's a good idea to refresh the page or check back periodically, since statuses can change quickly as engineers roll out fixes. If you're a developer, your next stop is the Google Cloud Service Health site. Search for Google Cloud Status and open the official status page. Here, look for entries related to the Gemini API and Google AI Studio. This page focuses on back-end incidents that impact API availability, latency, or specific regions. Read the incident notes carefully. They'll often outline scope, affected services, and any required workarounds. If you rely on Gemini programmatically, this page gives you the most direct signal about whether your integrations might be affected. Another helpful signal comes from Down Detector. Head there and look up Google Gemini. Down Detector aggregates user-submitted outage reports and displays spikes in real time. A sharp increase can indicate a widespread issue even before an official post appears. Remember, though, this is crowdsourced data. It's best used to corroborate what you're seeing, not as a sole source of truth. Cross-check with the official dashboards whenever possible. Finally, use StatusGator for a consolidated view. StatusGator pulls in data from multiple official status pages to give you a single snapshot of Gemini's health. This is useful when you want to compare signals quickly without opening several tabs. If the aggregator shows trouble while an official page is still green, give it a few minutes and recheck. Incidents can propagate to dashboards at different speeds. With these sources, you'll quickly determine whether an issue is on your side or a broader service problem and decide your next steps with confidence.